How to adjust your door recloser. You see those two little screws right there, the L and the S? You're going to need an Allen wrench, and the S screw controls 2/3 of the swing of the door, and the L screw controls the last third before it latches or closes, and then there's a BC screw on the back side that controls the back pressure. If you want to reduce the speed or pressure, you need to give it a counterclockwise turn, and then increase with clockwise. Now we're going to get into where those screws are and what they look like just a little bit closer. As you can see, here's zoomed out. Getting closer, you got L and S, L on the top, S on the bottom. And now we're just zooming it in, making sure you know where the S is. Just getting in there with an Allen key. There's the L. And just adjusting those swings. The back check, make sure you don't mess up a wall if you got it there, and it just controls the pressure that you're pushing on it. Now you're going to see just a couple of times trying to adjust it, getting through there, just going back and forth at it. Kind of a pain to get it where you want. Kind of see, but this door we got it going where it's got no pressure right before it closes. So you really just got to keep tweaking it. If you over tweak it, maybe the door won't come back at all. I was just giving it a quarter or half turns. But yeah, you just got to mess around with it. Hopefully this video helps you out. I saw some other videos on YouTube that weren't as helpful as you might hope. So just trying to condense the information up a little bit for you. That info at the beginning about the L and the S and the BC and which way to turn them, that's really the key info. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. You can just keep watching. Yeah, as you see here, we just totally have it out of adjustment. We got to take it back. Big issue, but you just got to keep tweaking it. Yeah, you can always comment, and maybe we can get together a different video trying to go through whatever issues you got. Yeah, here we're trying to adjust the back BC screw. We're turning it clockwise there, trying to get it just so it closes nice. I think we're going to need to add a little bit of cushioning on that to make sure it doesn't just slam hard there at the end every time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.